Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys already know you're the best, and that's on period. So guys, finally I'm going to be reviewing the leave-in conditioner that I've been using lately, and that is Cantu leave-in conditioner. So before I dive into the experience all this while I've been using it, let me show you guys the leave-in conditioner and then read some little things on it, and yeah, we go for the proper review and the experience. So this is the leave-in conditioner I'll be reviewing. You guys can see I've gone halfway. Yeah, so and it says Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioning repair cream, then intense moisture to soften damaged, dry or coarse hair. So for my own hair, my hair is coarse hair, so this leave-in conditioner is good to go for me. Now this part, let me read this part for you guys. This part, let me read it. Cantu leave-in conditioner, Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream, deeply penetrating conditioning treatment infused with shea butter and other natural oils to help promote strong, long, healthy hair. Then the benefit says that it helps to mend hair breakage, it reduces split ends, and also smoothens and moisturize the hair. Then the direction: apply a generous amount of cream to ends of damp hair and work towards roots. Comb through for even distribution. Do not rinse. Apply daily to split ends and damaged areas. Then styling tips. It has styling tips here. It says use as a leave-in treatment for maximum absorption. Apply as directed. Cover with conditioning cap and let sit for 30 minutes. Then rinse out with cool water. Use as a rinse out conditioner. So for you to use it as a rinse out conditioner, you apply as directed, then you rinse out with cool water. Okay, and it is good for hair types: relaxed hair, natural, permed, coarse, color treated hair, dry and damaged hair. So now all these are the benefits, the direction on how to use it, and the styling tips. So let me start from the benefit. It helps to mend hair breakage. Okay, before I go for my proper review, let me talk about the first thing I felt when I bought this particular product. So the first thing is the texture of the product. Unlike the leave-in conditioner that I'm used to, that's Mega Growth, that one is a bit light, but this particular one is thicker than the other one, which is nice. Although it looks broken, like it looks broken, but when you touch it, it is smooth, like it's soft. I don't know how to proceed. Like it will melt immediately. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, let me show you guys what I'm trying to say. I don't know if you can see it, but I think this way you'll be able to see that it doesn't look smooth, but trust me, when you apply it, it will go immediately. So it is thick, but it doesn't look smooth, but when you apply it on your hair, it will go into it, right? So that's the first thing. And then the scent, I like the scent is not too harsh, it's just moderate. It's moderate and I like it. Another thing is that this particular leave-in conditioner, it doesn't give you that detangling feeling, because the leave-in conditioner I use, Mega Growth, that particular one, apart from it being a leave-in conditioner, it's more like a detangling leave-in conditioner because it helps to detangle the hair very easily. But this particular one does not detangle my hair like at all, because when I tried to use it to detangle my hair, I applied it and it wasn't giving at all. It was not giving. So it does the other work well, but for the detangling, it doesn't do that. It doesn't detangle my hair. Maybe because of my own kind of texture that I have, two hair texture, the relaxed part and the new growth. So it's kind of difficult. I think this particular product, if the those that haven't relaxed their hair use it, it probably will detangle their hair easily. But for me now, it did not detangle my hair easily. So that's then thing. Let's now go to the benefits, if I actually got the benefit from this. And remember, I said it didn't detangle my hair. They did not write it here that it is a detangling leave-in conditioner, so fair enough. Then here it says it helps to mend hair breakage. While using it, I didn't experience a lot of hair breakage, so I think it's good for that. So the second benefit is that it reduces split end, which I've actually my split end has actually improved a lot since I started using it. I've not really probably because of apart from the leave-in conditioner, my routine as well has changed. So if it's for split ends, then it is good. Then another thing is it smoothens and moisturizes the hair. Yes, it does that. Like it moisturizes my hair well. I don't know for since it says that it is shea butter leave-in conditioner. For me, before I use it, from the direction says apply on damp hair. So I apply it on my damp hair. Then I still use my hair oil and my hair butter to seal it up. So I don't know, it doesn't say that, but I still do that anyways. And what I notice is that when I apply it on my hair, it takes me a longer time for it to like for me to apply it, for it to completely dissolve and enter my hair. So at this point I know that my hair is low porosity, because when I rub it you will still see the product on my hair, like it will be sitting on my hair. So I have to take my time to smoothing it for everything to dissolve in the hair. So that's one thing I noticed about it. And then finally, before I end this video, is that this particular leave-in conditioner, I don't know if it's my hair, but what I'm saying all these things from my experience while using this product. So I think it leaves a lot of build up on my hair strands for reason I don't know. I try to use um a moderate amount of the product when I'm applying it, but then I noticed that when it's time for me to lose my hair, I notice a lot of dirt coming out, like, and my scalp is not dirty, so it's my hair strand that this dirt is coming out from. So I just took my time to study it, and then I noticed that is this particular product that is leaving a lot of product build up on my hair strand. So that's one of the things I experienced all through the journey. Aside that, if it's softening, yes, it softens my hair, reduces split end, breakage, moisturizes my hair for a longer period of time. Like when I when I do my moisturizing routine, in the next 3 to 4 days, my hair still feels that moisture in it. So will I still use will I continue to use this product? Well, the only thing that will make me not use it is the fact that it leaves a lot of build up on my hair. Aside that, I think I'm good to go using the product. So another thing in the product is that it has like three hydrolyzed protein in the ingredient. And since it says it's a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, but it still has like three different protein in it. So I don't know, I was looking for something that doesn't even have protein at all, but since this one has three, I think I can still manage this. But if I see another moisturizing leave-in conditioner, I'm probably going to try it out. But except that, I can just be using this one as my moisturizing leave-in conditioner, while the other leave-in mega growth leave-in strengthener that contains a lot of hydrolyzed protein in it, I can just be using that one as my protein leave-in conditioner. During when I don't do my regular protein treatment, I'll probably just be using that one. So I think I'm good to go. I like the products, but it's just that build up that it leaves on my hair strand. That's what I don't like. I don't enjoy that at all, because when I'm losing, I don't. My hair doesn't get dirty like that, because I take my time to wash it at least once or once in 2 or 3 weeks. So for if there's no dirt on my scalp, why is it my hair strand that there's not a lot of build up, like a lot of build ups? If I'm losing my hair, dusting the hair, you like all my body will be full of product build up, and I'm like, yo, no, 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 no. So um that's the only thing I don't like about the product. It leaves a lot of build up on my hair. My hair strands. So remember, this is a leave-in conditioner. I don't apply it on my scalp, so my hair strands, and it doesn't weigh down my hair. It didn't weigh down my hair at all through the time of using it. It did not weigh down my hair. So I actually like the product. I do like it. It's just the build up, excess build up that it leaves on my hair strands. That's the only thing, except that. So will I recommend it? I actually will recommend it because the fact that it's leaving a lot of build up on my hair, it might not do the same to someone else. So all these things most times depend on an individual. So yeah, I think that's it. For it to just have that one setback, I can't say I won't recommend it. And besides, the setback is just like, okay, product build up, and you have your regular wash days. You know when to wash your hair. So I think we are good to go. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you've used this product before, and share your experience and your thoughts in the comment section as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.